Are you creating videos on Facebook but not earning from your fans yet? You may be missing an important monetization picture called stars. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Facebook stars and set everything up so your viewers can support you. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to NyiZaw Tech. In today's video, we are going to look at Facebook stars and how creators can activate this feature and start receiving support from their audience. I'll show you where to find the stars option, how to activate it if you're eligible, and what to do if you don't see that option. So let's go step by step. First, open the Facebook app in your mobile device or laptop and make sure you're logged into the account or page you use for creating content. Next, tap on Dashboard. If you are using a Facebook page, the location of monetization tools may look slightly different. Now tap on Weekly Progress to go monetization section. By clicking forward arrow, tap on Monetization to see the monetization tools and pictures available for your account. Tap on Monetization Programs. Look for stars. If star is available for your account, you'll see an option to set it up or activate it. Before you can activate stars, Facebook may require your account to meet certain eligibility requirements. If you see that you're eligible, continue with the setup. Tap on Activate, tap on Setup. Depending on your account and location, you may also need to complete payment or payer information before you can receive earnings. For me, I have already entered the business info, so I will select my business info and just tap on Next. If you haven't added business info, you need to complete it. You're eligible to start earning. Refresh the page, now you can earn from the stars. Alright friends, if this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with another creator who wants to learn about Facebook monetization. And don't forget to subscribe to NyiZaw Tech for more Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, AI and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.